You already got it.
You're giving us everything that South Africa wants to see. What inspired this look?
Nothing. It's just one of the outfits I had in my wardrobe, and I just.
Nothing is wild, ma'am. Nothing is. How would you be feeling right now in the house?
I'm going to be honest with you. Around this time, all you could think about is going home, seeing your family, and everything. Like at this point, you're just grateful you made it this far.
We are grateful that we got to see your journey. We're grateful that you're.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. What inspired this look, man? Yo, you know what? One thing about me, I am a gold like my friend Sugu. You understand? So everywhere I go, I'm just a kid. You understand? So everything about me is like I'm shining on. Every day I'm shining. Like this is me.
How do we wait? They say she must go live. She's so nervous.
Oh, guys. She's so nervous.
She's so nervous, guys. She is so nervous. There she is. She's nervous. She is so nervous. Like, she's so nervous. You got this, sis. Come on. That's Machini. There's Machini Weenie. Now they are timmering. They are timmering. Come on. Yeah.
Hi guys.
Don't worry, calm down.
The money for Malabolo will come.
The money for Malabolo is coming.
Malabolo is coming.
She's so nervous. She is.
Let's go back to
Yes, Ashley!
Our GoFundMe is not GoFundMe. But that can let me one second. Our GoFundMe is not GoFundMe. Guys, it is time for us to do the right thing. Now we have to put this thing. You know how we take all the food, right there. That is exactly what we do. And aside from
Hayibo, hey, wadumitheku. Hayibo, hayi cha lo mfana ubesiloya. Ungafa. Kwahaza itheku. We. Hayi bandla.
Ayaw, 21 minutes yun. We're still live. Hey.
I'm sure kuzoba ne-meeting kule event.
Kuzoba ne-meeting kule event. Kuzoba ne-meeting kule event.
Kuzokwenziwa i-event.
Oh gosh. Where's Bobo? Nangu Bobo B. Oh, let me come beside you. Tyrone, come. Don't leave. Tyrone. Tyrone. Tyrone, come. Hi guys. I'm with Bobo B. Nangu Tyrone. Guys, I'm happy, Shem, to be honest. I'm happy. Beef, angilu namtu. Nijabule. Nizitelela nabantu. Good vibes only. Nyanzela.
Hello, darling. Hello.
Balcons. Kumnandla. Balcons ngimuhle nje yini. Ay. Athi ngifuna bani? Ngifuna bani? Ngifuna bani ngilandele yena. Ngifuna bani ngilandele bona. Where is guys? Me and Ash are also good. And then stop asking me questions, guys. But I am happy. Thank you, Falcons. Yeah, no. And let me go show you my mother. I want to show you guys my mother. Let me be live and show you guys my mother. It's 2%. Come, mommy, I'm live. Hi. Now I'm my mom. Now what? Yeah.
Body ball.
Yeah.
Away.
I love you too, Mama. Okay. was like, so they were like, let me go to Ash. Go to Ash. I'm like, let me go. Guys,